Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you these beautiful shallow succulent container gardens that I made. I basically used a saucer and I have a hole. I'll show you the hole in the bottom there. See, there's a hole, and I have that drilled before I plant the succulents. Drainage holes are very important in terms of allowing the water to drain and not let it sit in the container, because then it can lead to root rot. So you do want to use a well-drained succulent mix and also have a drainage hole on the bottom of your containers, and that will allow your succulents to thrive for many years. Now, these are pretty succulents that I use, and I use rosette shapes and succulents that have a relatively shallow roots so that it can accommodate these containers. These are great if you're looking for, let's say, centerpieces and you want sort of a low profile on your table. So this is great for birthday parties, weddings, and even for yourself. You can put this in your patio, even indoors. This would be nice. For example, this one would be nice in a coffee table, because mainly green plants, dark green or shades of green, do really well in low light or in shade. It's kept outdoors, water about once a week, and indoors about once a month. They both need, actually all of these need bright light, or can be indoors near a bright, well-ventilated window. Thanks for watching.